Once upon a time, in a world not too far from ours, there was a magical land called Fantasia. Fantasia was a place where the skies were forever painted in the hues of the rainbow, and the rivers sang gentle songs as they flowed. In the heart of this magical land lay the Enchanted Forest, a mystical place where every tree, flower, and creature held a secret of wonder and magic. In this forest lived a friendly young fairy named Twinkle. Twinkle was known for her curious nature and twinkling wings that shone brightly even in the deepest night. Her best friend was Flutter, a wise old owl with golden eyes that seemed to hold the wisdom of ages. One sunny morning, Twinkle and Flutter decided to go for an adventure deep into the parts of the Enchanted Forest where they had never been before. As they flitted and flew through the trees, they stumbled upon a hidden path that sparkled with tiny stars. Intrigued, they decided to follow it. The path led them to a beautiful clearing filled with flowers that changed colors with the wind. In the center of the clearing stood an old stone pedestal, and upon it was a shimmering golden acorn. "This must be the Acorn of Wishes!" exclaimed Flutter, his eyes widening with excitement. According to legend, the Acorn of Wishes had the power to grant a single wish to whoever held it. Twinkle and Flutter were amazed by their discovery. They thought of the wonders they could wish for, but they knew they had to be wise and careful. As they pondered over their wish, they noticed a group of sad-looking animals nearby. A little fox, a squirrel, and a rabbit were gathered together, looking worried. Twinkle fluttered over to them and asked what was wrong. "Our forest home is fading," said the little fox with a sniff. "The magic is leaving, and soon there won't be enough food or shelter for us." Twinkle looked at Flutter and then at the Acorn of Wishes. They knew what they had to do. They would use the wish to restore the magic of the Enchanted Forest. Together, Twinkle and the animals gathered around the acorn, and with Flutter's wise guidance, Twinkle made the wish with all her heart. A soft glow enveloped the clearing, spreading warmth and color throughout the forest. The trees began to sing again, the flowers danced, and all the creatures cheered with joy. From that day forward, the Enchanted Forest remained vibrant and full of magic, thanks to Twinkle's compassionate heart and the wonderful wish. And Twinkle and Flutter agreed it was the best adventure they ever had, one that taught them the true magic of kindness and friendship.